Welcome to one of South Florida's most iconic waterfront addresses located at the legendary Pier 66 in Fort Lauderdale. For generations, Pier 66 has been recognized as one of the world's most celebrated marina destinations. It has welcomed luxury yachts from around the globe, hosted world-class travelers, and became synonymous with the sophisticated waterfront lifestyle that has made Fort Lauderdale known as the yachting capital of the world. Today, this extraordinary destination has been reimagined into an exceptional collection of luxury residences that celebrate modern architecture, timeless elegance, and an unparalleled connection to the water. So this residence was designed around one central philosophy. Luxury should never feel formal. It should feel effortless. Every decision we made was inspired by the Marina lifestyle. The beauty of living on the water isn't simply about the views. It's about the feeling. It's about waking up every morning surrounded by sunlight dancing across the yachts, watching the boats quietly glide through the marina, entertaining friends as the sun sets over the intercoastal, and experiencing a lifestyle that feels relaxed, sophisticated, and completely unforgettable. From the moment the private elevator doors open, you will immediately understand that this home was designed to create an experience rather than simply provide beautiful rooms. Every architectural detail has been carefully considered to establish a sense of arrival. The proportions, the symmetry, the lighting, and the flow, all of them work together to create an atmosphere that feels welcoming, luxurious, and remarkably calm. Rather than competing with the breathtaking waterfront views, our goal was to celebrate them. Throughout the residence, architectural features were intentionally designed to frame, reflect, and enhance the incredible scenery beyond the glass. Carefully positioned feature walls, reflective architectural surfaces, elegant ceiling treatments, and thoughtfully placed lighting all help extend the beauty of the marina deep into the interior spaces. Your eye, no matter what, is where you stand. It naturally will draw you toward the water. This custom home embraces a refined, organic, modern aesthetic. One that combines clean architectural lines with warm textures, luxurious materials, and soft sculptural forms. Instead of overwhelming the eye with ornamentation, every element was selected to create harmony, balance, and comfort. The furnishings feature graceful curves that soften the architecture while creating inviting conversation areas. Always thinking about every detail, including the state-of-the-art kitchen, we continued all the detailing throughout this spacious apartment. You will notice reflections wherever possible of magnificent view throughout of the yacht, club, and marina. Rich fabrics add warmth and depth throughout luxurious textures rather than loud patterns. Sculptural area rugs define each living space, while introducing movement through organic shapes that echo the natural flow of water outside. The color palette was intentionally curated to complement the marina rather than compete with it. Soft neutrals, warm stone tones, elegant woods, layered textures, and carefully selected metallic accents create an environment that feels timeless, sophisticated, and calming. The result is a residence that feels luxurious every day, never trendy, and never overstated. The living room serves as the heart of the home, designed for both intimate evenings and elegant entertaining. It captures panoramic marina views while maintaining an atmosphere of comfort and refinement. The architectural detail enhances the scale of the space without distracting from the scenery outside. Every seating arrangement was planned to maximize conversation while ensuring every guest enjoys a spectacular waterfront backdrop. Lighting plays a critical role throughout the residence. During the day, of course, natural sunlight becomes part of the design itself, filling every room with warmth and emphasizing the beautiful textures and materials. As evening arrives, carefully layered lighting transforms the interiors into an entirely different experience, creating a soft, welcoming ambiance that complements the sparkling reflections of the marina beyond. Flowing naturally from the kitchen on those spaces, family and friends can enjoy the effortless lifestyle of this residence. Architectural details throughout the suite were specifically designed to capture and to reflect the views from multiple perspectives. Carefully positioned mirrors, elegant wall treatments, and subtle reflective surfaces amplify the surrounding scenery that the beauty of the water becomes part of the interior experience. Whether relaxing in bed or preparing for the day, the marina remains visually connected to every moment. Because the primary bathroom also, along with the bedroom, will continue this philosophy through luxurious materials. While the bedroom makes you feel welcome every night before you turn the lights off, the morning brightens up instantly when you see through those windows. Remember that the bathroom is part of this suite, therefore the spa feeling is throughout. From the minute you walk in to the minute you turn that faucet on and that luxurious jacuzzi in this magnificent, incredible, and luxurious master bathroom with additional LED lighting that will also enhance upon the architectural. The additional guest bedrooms were also designed with the same level of attention and sophistication. Whether welcoming guests or not, these particular rooms will always feel that luxury lifestyle of the marina. Because ultimately, home isn't simply about beautiful interiors. It's about the way of living. It's about enjoying the world-class marina views, effortless entertaining, exceptional craftsmanship too.